Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you a simple guide on how to connect Telegram app to laptop or PC. Alright, let's get started. The first step is very simple. On your laptop, open a browser and type Telegram Web into the search bar. After typing it, click on Enter. From the search results, click on the first link, which is web.telegram.org. This is the official website for Telegram Web. Once the website opens, you'll see a QR code. This QR code needs to be scanned using your Telegram app on your mobile phone. Now, on your mobile phone, open the Telegram app. Once it is opened, tap on the Settings button on the bottom right corner of the screen. Under Settings, select Devices. Then tap on Link Desktop Device. A QR code scanner will appear. Point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on your laptop screen. Once the code is scanned, your Telegram account will instantly open on your laptop. It's as simple as that. Now that your Telegram is connected, you can easily transfer files, videos, and photos between your phone and laptop. For example, if you need a video from your phone, you can download it directly on your laptop. No USB cables needed. It's fast and convenient. If you ever want to log out from Telegram Web, you can do this from your mobile. And that's how you connect Telegram app to laptop or PC in just a minute. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so they can benefit too. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.